How do attorneys in Texas evaluate whether you may have a case for the birth injury of your child? I'm Chris King, medical malpractice and personal injury trial lawyer here in Houston, and I'd like to share with you some really valuable information that may help answer some of your questions today. When a lawyer considers whether you may have a case for malpractice related to the birth of your child, one of the first things the lawyer looks for is the condition of your child. Does the child suffer from an injury that's the result of a lack of oxygen to your baby, or cerebral palsy, or some other developmental delay? That's the first thing that lawyers look for. Then the lawyer is going to want to know and will utilize expert witnesses or physicians to determine whether something was done wrong during the labor and delivery of your child. If there was an event during the labor and delivery process, then the lawyer is going to want to evaluate whether that event or bad outcome was the result of substandard medical care or wrongdoing. When evaluating the labor and delivery process and whether the care was appropriate, one of the things lawyers look for is whether there was concern for the baby's well-being during the process. Were there warning signs that may have predicted that the baby was in trouble that went unrecognized, such as problems on the fetal monitor strip that evaluates and keeps track of the baby's heart rate and well-being? Was there an accurate assessment of what stress the baby was undergoing during the labor and delivery process? These are the kinds of things that lawyers are going to look for when evaluating whether you may have a medical malpractice case related to injuries your child suffered during the childbirth process. If you've got these questions, what I'd like to do is invite you to call the number below and visit with us about your situation. At Hampton and King, every day we talk to folks like you and evaluate whether we can help them in a potential medical malpractice case. I'd like to invite you to call as well. I'm Chris King. Thanks for taking the time to watch today.